Welcome to Conversios. In this video, we will see how to set up Conversios Meta Pixel Conversion API app within your Shopify store. Once you install the app, this is the very first screen that you will see on your store. So what you need to do, just click on Get Started Now button, and here you will see a page wherein you need to do the Facebook authentication. So what you need to do, just click on Login with Facebook button, use the credentials and click on Login. Once you are logged in using the email address, you will see that email right on top here. Now here if you see, we have an option to select the business account ID. So here we select this and then the catalog ID as well. Now there is one thing, this is the free version of the app, which is why you see sync 100 products to your Facebook catalog only, and there are a few other features which is available with the paid version of the app. So we'll see that as well later. For now, let's quickly click on Save and Next button. Now, as the next step, we have to enable the blocks. So for that, let's click on Activate Blocks now. We just need to make sure that these two blocks are enabled. So let's enable this. Let's click on Save button. And once this is saved, we can close this tab now. Now, we have to enable this checkbox. Just make sure that you check this box here, so that we can see the Save and Next button as well. Now click on it. This is the page wherein you see the options available for the plan with this app. Alright, now there are three options available: free plan, premium plan and yearly plan as well. Now with the free plan, you will have the tracking and you will have an option to add one Meta Pixel and Conversion API. And for tracking purpose, purchase event is not available with the free version of this app. If you want to have end-to-end tracking and multiple pixel option as well, you can go ahead with either monthly plan or yearly plan. So for now, let's go ahead with monthly plan. Approve the charges. Once the charges are approved, this is the final step that we have to complete. This is enable checkout purchase events. So what we need to do, we just need to copy the code. Click on Settings, Customer Events, and we will see another tab open up. Here we need to add custom pixel. And just paste the code that we have copied. Hit Save and click on Connect button. Once this is done, we can simply close this tab here, enable this checkbox and finish setup. Now, if you want to see what options additionally available after the free plan is activated, we can go ahead and check that. Now, here if you see, as of now, with the free version of the app, only default container is available, which is of Conversios. And with the updated version, that is the premium plan, you can use your own container as well. So here you can put your GTM container ID and move further. Now, this is one of the additional option which is enabled here, that is add new pixels. So with this option you can add up to 3 Facebook pixels. This is the new feature that we have recently implemented with our app. So add the pixel name, let's say, and API token as well. Now if you want to add more, click on Add Pixel, so that you can have one more option available for additional pixels as well. Apart from that, you will see with the paid version of the app, InitiateCheckout, Add Payment Info and Purchase Events Tracking are also available. As we have made changes recently, we just need to click on Save button, copy this code, go to Settings and Customer Events, another tab open. We just need to update the code that we have pasted. Hit Save. It's done. Click on Got it. Congratulations, your app setup is complete now. Now if you want to go ahead and check reports and insights, you can click on here and see. As of now, there are two kind of reports available: Meta Page Insights and Meta Ad Campaigns, wherein we have given an option wherein you can select specific ad account and see the reports. So you can select levels, ad set, campaign and account, and even breakdown via gender, age and country. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, any queries, or if you want to get more updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.